Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off and unplug, then remove the faceplate screws with a Torx T8. Use a plastic pry tool to separate the back shell. Gentle, steady pressure prevents clips from breaking. Once open, place screws into a labeled container so you don't mix front and back screws. You're doing this because maintaining orientation avoids reassembly errors and protects sensitive ribbon cables. Keep fingers clear of the trigger assembly while you inspect. Once the shell is off, you'll locate the stuck trigger and trace the cause. Dirt, a misaligned plastic tab, or a spring fault are common. Use short bursts of compressed air and a swab with 90% isopropyl to remove grime. Make sure not to soak electronics. If a spring or tab is bent, carefully realign with fine pliers. Make micro adjustments and test the trigger movement repeatedly. You do this because precise alignment restores travel and contact without damaging the micro switch. After cleaning and adjustments, reseat any ribbon cables and make sure the trigger rails slide freely. Align components before snapping the shell closed so nothing binds. Replace screws in their original holes and tighten evenly. Stop when snug. Over-tightening strips plastic. Reconnect to your console and check trigger travel in the Xbox Accessories app. Calibrate if values look off. If the trigger still sticks, retry inspection for a missed bit of debris or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.